Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to be talking about updates to Lucid Motors stock LCID and its future projections. I do think that it has a very nice chance to rebound and to go all the way back up with the next news that I am going to be presenting. This stock has been beaten down in the month of December, but it has had a great run up in November. We will be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up, smash that thumbs up. It'll keep me alive on YouTube. Also hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button. Join the community. We'd love to have you here. We're growing this channel very nicely. Just last month alone, we have added 3,000 new subscribers. So thank you to each and every one of you. Also, I do have links down below to get free stocks, also free cash for whenever you fill up gas or get groceries or go to restaurants using my app to get upside. But without further ado, I did just want to transition and talk to you about Lucid Motors, as this stock has great potentials to have a nice liftoff, to get a nice rebound in its stock. We will be talking about what is going on with Lucid in the next few weeks. So next week is going to be very critical, very important for Lucid Motor LCID Group, because it is going to be announcing its deliveries this year. By the end of this year, they did announce that they should be hitting 520 mark of their Lucid Air delivery vehicles. So the Lucid Air Dream Edition has been $170,000. People that bought this vehicle did put $7,000 deposits to hold their spots to get these vehicles. So far, the buzz that I have been hearing is that Lucid Motors has already made and now is delivering up to 577 vehicles. We'll definitely see if that buzz, if that is true. We'll definitely find out next week, in my opinion. Yesterday, I did mention one of two things can happen next week. One, if they do get those deliveries, if they do get at least 520 deliveries or more, I do think that this stock has a huge potential to increase and go up quite a bit. As you saw back in October, right at October 30th, when Lucid did start its deliveries, when it did start announcing its production, the stock went up by about 24% the following week. Now, could something like that happen with LCID? With the delivery numbers being announced, it is possible. As you know, the stock is very volatile. It has had huge swings up and down. So, but if we do have good news, that good catalyst, we definitely could get this stock at least up to $45, if not more, in my opinion. Now, on the flip side, let's talk about if Lucid Motors, number one, does not have that deliveries. They do not make the production volume, that target number of 520, or if they get it, or if they don't make any announcements, this stock could be at a stalemate, which means that it will just be stagnant. It has run out of steam. I don't foresee that much positive news coming out. The biggest one I am looking for is the deliveries. Now, if they don't meet that, the stock could potentially go down. I definitely see that it could go down below $35. Right now, the support level that we have had tested is $36, but anytime the stock has gone at least $36, we've had a lot of investors just jump in, pile in, because they know it is a steal of a deal if you can get the stock under $38. But it is a great deal right now if you can get it under $40 and hold it long term, at least 12 months or more. So if the deliveries do not happen, if we don't get those numbers, I definitely think that there is a potential for this stock to go under $35. I don't think that it will last long. I think it will pop right back up. This is a great buying opportunity, in my opinion. So the month of November has been very good for Lucid Motor stock LCID, as we have had just in that 1 month alone over 55% gains. But the month of December has taken about half of those gains away. We are down for the month about 26%. So definitely, I think that we could get this rebound based on the delivery numbers. Next week is the week that I am really targeting and I am looking at. Beyond that, let's talk about Lucid Group and where it can go. So Lucid Motors in the next year, in the year 2022, announced that they will be producing 20,000 of their Lucid Air vehicles. They are ranging anywhere from $77,000 all the way up to $170,000. I am just taking an average of that. Let's say that each vehicle cost $100,000 and they do sell all 20,000 vehicles. This is a potential of $2 billion revenue, which will be amazing growth for this company. Now, based on its balance sheets, based on the technical and financials that I have seen, Lucid Motors should be cash free positive by the year 2024, 2025. Now, right now at the early stages, they are burning through a lot of money. As you know, that they have raised just recently over $2 billion with the convertible senior notes, the note offering, which is kind of like a bond for companies and investors to put in that money. They were trying to raise $1.75 billion, but they went above and beyond that and raised $2 billion, which is going to be used for the production of their facilities, the production of their vehicles, and their battery storage technology and systems. So definitely Lucid Motors is ramping this up. The downsides I do foresee on this company is the supply chain issues, the chip shortages that continue to plague not just Lucid Motors, but all electric vehicles. In the United States, you have Rivian that has just missed their 2021 production and delivery rate. They were supposed to deliver 1,200 of their R1T, their pickup truck, and their R1S, the SUV. They have missed that by, quote, several hundred, according to the CEO of Rivian. We'll definitely have to see if Lucid Motors is in the same boat, but moving forward for the year 2022, it is going to be that big limitation. I do think that it is going to be that hurdle that everybody needs to get over from local companies. Ford, GM, everybody's experiencing this, even internationally. When we do look at Polestar, when we do look at NIO, Xpeng, and Li Auto, all of them are having this kind of issue with the supplies. So we'll definitely have to see if they can weather. This is all temporary. It's not permanent. So definitely in the future, they will push past this. Also very important, in my opinion, is the infrastructure of electric charging. That is going to be very critical also to see if there's a lot of people wanting to buy electric vehicles, because we do have that electric range anxiety. But once we have more electric chargers around the United States, I definitely think that this will cool off quite a bit. But going back to Lucid Motors, I do think that it has great potential. There is a lot of demand for this vehicle. The last numbers that we did get in November is that there were over 17,000 reservations of the Lucid Air for the year 2022. So more than half, actually about 75% of all the vehicles that are going to be produced are already reserved for. Again, people have been putting anywhere from $300 to reserve this, all the way up to $1,000. Right now, the Dream Edition is all fully reserved, but they are going to be opening this up as well. So huge potential for Lucid Motor stock LCID into the future. If you can hold this stock long term, I do recommend it putting on your watch list. And always do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock, as I'm not your financial advisor. But again, big things to look forward to. I definitely think that Lucid has a very nice potential to increase its stock. But anyway, I did just want to thank each and every one of you for watching, for subscribing. We are coming up to a holiday weekend. For everybody that is celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. I did want to just share my thanks with each and every one of you for your prayers, your support. As you know, my family and I have been going through a lot with my mother-in-law just passing from pancreatic cancer, but we appreciate everybody's support. And I just want to give a reach out to each and every one of you to please cherish your family, to please, take care of yourself, but most importantly, have fun, enjoy life. And Merry Christmas to you if you are celebrating Christmas. If not, enjoy the holiday weekend. And thank you again so much for watching, for supporting the channel. Smash that thumbs up button. Keep me alive on YouTube. Join the community. Hit that notification bell and subscribe button, as we are growing this channel quite nicely. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great weekend if I don't see you until then. And make some money out there. But most importantly, enjoy life. Enjoy one another. Enjoy your family and friends. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Thank you.